Hey everyone, I am from Wade 3. Today I will be sharing best 5 social media strategies and tips for small businesses and entrepreneurs. Social media marketing is an important tool for small businesses to use, as it allows them to reach a wider audience than that of their physical location. Marketing through social media is a good way for small businesses to grow their customer base and sell their product and services. Social media marketing is also a good way for consumers to find out more about new products and services. So let's get started with the best 5 social media marketing strategies for small business and entrepreneurs. First strategy is identify your social audience. So, why we need to identify social media audience? Alright. Answer is: audience research will help you craft relevant content, messaging, and ads. All of this can lead to higher conversion rates and better social media ROI. First thing to do for identify social audience is identify or create buyer persona. What is it? The buyer persona is a description of the person that you want to reach. You'll give this buyer persona a name, demographic details, interests, and behavioral traits. After collecting these details, you'll understand the customer goals, pain points, and buying patterns. Second thing to do for identify social audiences, find out where your audience is most active. To find out which social media channels are the most effective for your business, you need to find out where your audience is most active. You would want to choose the social media platform that your audience visits the most. Once you have done that, you can then build your strategy around that platform. Second point in 5 best social media strategies is post your content at optimal times. What is the best time to post on social media? There is no one answer to this question. Every business is different and has different goals. What works for one company may not work for another. But publishing content on social media at the right time can be tricky. But it's not impossible. You can observe these 2 important factors before posting content. The first one is insight trends. Every social media platform has insight or analytics. This is a tool that allows you to see what your audience is doing. Facebook has a business suite, Instagram has a professional dashboard, and YouTube has a YouTube studio. These tools give you valuable insights about your audience so that you can better serve them and make more money. The second thing is message engagements. What do you understand by message engagements? Chat or calling? No, it's not. Message engagements are a measure of how people are interacting with your social media accounts and content. The term can cover a broad range of actions across all social platforms. For example, engagement might include likes, favorites, comment, and share. You'll also want to consider optimal times to publish your content. The best time to post on social media is during peak hours. That's when most people are online and you can get more engagement and reach more people. Third strategy in 5 best social media strategies is combine organic with paid. Organic search is a great way to drive traffic to your site, but it's difficult to measure the success of your organic search traffic. Paid search is much easier to measure because you can see the results of your campaigns in real time. This can help you decide what keywords to use on your organic campaigns and whether or not they are worth it. You should use paid search to test organic keywords. This way, you can find good organic keywords to target without paying for them. Your paid campaigns will help you find traffic and attention for seasonal or new content. And finally, you can use paid search to target hard-to-reach keywords. Fourth strategy in 5 best social media strategies is pay attention to trends. It's important to stay up to date on what is going on with your industry and how it is changing. That's why it's important to pay attention to how social media is changing. Many people are using social media for their business. However, it is important to take note of any new trends that are happening on the platform. For example, if you want to start a blog, you should find out what the best social media strategy would be for your blog. You should pay attention to what the best time to post on social media is. You should also be watching what other social media users are posting. That way you'll be able to see what topics are trending. Last and most important strategy in 5 best social media strategies is content creation. Content creation is the process of generating topic ideas that appeal to your buyer persona, creating written or visual content around those ideas, and making that information accessible to your audience as a blog, video, infographic, or other content formats. There are many different methods of content creation, and there are many different tools that can help you create content. Ultimately, it is up to the individual to decide what methods work best for the types of content they are creating. These were the 5 proven strategies for business for gain customer retention online. Social media is an amazing platform for any business to use to reach new audiences and drive traffic to their website. It can also be used to launch products and services to your customers. If you are not sure about how to do social media marketing, visit our website and check out our digital marketing packages. Link is in description. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Coming back soon.